Hey guys,
welcome
back to another video. Sorry, we haven't been posting lately. It's because we've been busy with school. So today we're going to be seeing who's better in Bedwars between me and Dave. So he has been like saying, I'm better than you, Zach. I'm better than you, Zach. Then I was like, okay, then let's see who's better in Bedwars. All right, David. Good luck. Start the match. I'm getting some irons. David, I'm just telling you, you're gonna lose. You're gonna lose, bro. Okay, let me go buy some wool to guard my bed. Guard my bed. Okay. David, no cheating, because I know you like cheating a lot.
Can I just I'll give you
no
wooden dial.
No, I just said no cheating.
Stone dial.
No. Oh god, he's rushing, guys. Oh my god. Okay. Let's get some leather armor. Oh. What are you doing?
I'm rushing to you.
Oh, no. Don't come here, please. Please don't come here. Please. Don't come here, Dave. You're not coming here. I'm not playing with you. Oh, I see him, guys. Wait, do you have the bow?
No.
Okay, that's good.
I have a jade hammer.
Oh my, no. Okay, I'm screwed. At this point, Why are you running? Huh?
Oh, I have no block.
Why are you running? How did you get a jade armor so quickly?
Iron. In 30v30 map, the iron is fast.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna cut him off. Oh, he's running away. Why are you running, Dave?
So I want to.
Come on, don't run now.
Because I'm faster than you, there's no point of chasing me.
Because you have a
jade hammer.
Whatever. Oh, a jade armor. Ha! Got you.
You take fall damage.
I know. I think I know what your plan is. Oh my! No! I fell.
Ha!
See, you better.
I have 13.
Better run and don't come back.
I'm gonna get a crossbow.
What is this in my mouth?
I'm gonna get a crossbow.
What's this? That's my leg.
Zach, you better watch out.
Wait, you getting a crossbow?
Yeah.
No. I don't want to get a crossbow because I'm not good at aiming. My aiming is trash. Like, really trash. Okay, I have a iron armor. Okay, I gotta go get diamonds so I can get a diamond armor.
What? You use emeralds, remember? To get diamond.
Wait, really? Oh my god, I'm so down. I'm so down. I mean, but still, I need diamonds. Oh, what? Why? Okay. I'm not good at playing on phone and Bedwars yet.
I'm on computer.
Are you coming to me?
Yes, I have iron armor just inside.
I have 6 diamonds. Please don't knock me off.
Ooh.
Don't knock me off. Oh my god. Okay, I'm safe for now. Nope, miss. Oh, he got me.
Got you.
He got me.
Snipe. Get sniped, bro.
Wait, which one should I get? Armor protection.
Get sniped.
I got armor protection.
That one, bro.
Oh, what am I doing? Wait, do you have any blocks?
Yes. Ah,
Oh my god. You see, you're always trying to trap me. And so. Really?
Bodia. Bodia.
Wow, dude. That's mean.
It's the main point of the game.
I'm gonna get you,
I'm
bro.
better than you.
I'm still better than you.
360.
360.
Ooh, combo.
Bruh.
Combo. Why do I have
That is
a
not
wooden
combo, bro.
sword? Forgot to get
Me too.
an iron sword. Oh god. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Mm.
How am I chasing him? Like,
Wee.
I knew this man is always gonna have balloons. But dude, that was some nice little aim over there.
I was in 18 HP.
Psych, you missed. We're in 18 HP.
Yeah.
Oh, I almost got you. See? I'm really curious who's gonna win this.
Me.
It's obviously gonna be me. You already know.
No. That's good.
From what I see here, it's obviously gonna be me.
Thanks for the emeralds again.
Oh, you're welcome.
You didn't. I have
Wait.
mid control.
Wait, you mean diamonds?
No emeralds. Because I have mid control.
I said no cheating.
How am I cheating?
You did.
Yeah, that was by accident. It's an actuation.
Yeah. Accident, huh? Accident, huh?
Guys.
Accident. Alright, I see. You
I
see?
have 22. I have 22 emeralds.
Oh, you see, guys. Dave is a cheater.
How?
Dave's a cheater, guys.
Let's go.
Why am I
have
wasting it
grapple.
on wool instead of Oh my god! You see, I don't really play Bedwars that much. Oh please, screen, do not glitch. What are you doing? Oh, why are you suddenly silent? You look sus. You look suspicious.
I'm just bouncing things.
Some things like what?
I have 12 emeralds. But I'm gonna save them for emerald.
I don't even have any emeralds.
Yeah, that's why I said thanks for mid control. Never let someone have mid control actually.
Accident, huh? Yeah, accident.
I'm
Alright.
not wrong.
I never said you were lying.
Ooh, I can just blow you off.
Technically, I did not, and you missed. Get like me. No! Stop chasing me!
You know you're one tap. Oh,
No, I'm not.
You sure I can just finish you with this ball?
Alright, then go ahead. Go ahead. Right. Oh!
Told you.
Okay, see. Wait, you have a diamond sword?
Yes.
No wonder. David cheating.
How? It's emeralds. Now I have 22 emeralds.
Okay, I'm gonna be watching the chat because you know what you can do.
But
Nah, it's trying to blow me. And it got me. Wow.
You dodged that.
Of course. I'm not going for that.
I'm just
Well,
setting
you might go for it.
I'm just setting up my okay.
I just need
No.
emeralds, bro. Please just let me go to the middle. Just let me go to the center. Like how I really ate you, David. You say try hard.
That was so close. I used my balloons in time.
I wish you did not. I wish you had
I
fell.
almost just. Oh,
Ha! This balloon is popping.
phew! Thank God I have a grapple hook.
How did you have it? Oh, so now you're using.
Combo.
You're definitely cheating.
How?
I need
Okay,
emeralds, you know.
I'll give you emeralds.
No, I don't need emeralds.
I'll give you
I
emeralds.
would just work hard to get my emeralds. What are you doing? See, I don't trust. Oh,
Emeralds.
thanks.
That was my 22 emeralds to get 12. Hold up. I can kill you.
Hey, okay. I surrender. Oh, sorry. That was my fault. Hey, I'm not done. I'm not, bro. I have a wooden sword. Come on. One shot and I'm down.
I almost just died again.
What? Oh my god, I'm so trash. I am trash.
I know you are.
Quiet.
I have 11 emeralds right now.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
All I just need to do is like have some emeralds and diamonds. Basically like 4 emeralds and 4 diamonds to
I
get.
have 8 diamonds. I can get the enchant table.
Oh, I almost fell.
I can get the enchanting table.
Cool.
It's not good for you. Pros don't protect the bird. I never protect them.
But you're not a pro though.
And plus, I never protect them.
You're not a pro.
I'm better than you. What do you mean?
No, I'm better than you. Bedwars.
No, I'm better than you.
Okay.
I have
Say that?
fire one.
Just wait until you lose. You will.
That's cap.
I'm not capping.
Yes, you are.
We'll see if I'm capping or not until I win. And you're gonna be
I
quiet.
have 10 emeralds. I just need 40. Yeah.
By the way,
You'll be
you're on
thankful.
PC and on my phone, so you can do more things than I can do. You see now, he's trying to chase after me.
I'm only using snowballs to hit you.
Good. No.
Keep on using that.
Oh, it got me, guys, it got me.
Yeah, go to the bridge.
It got me.
Go to
It
the
got
bridge.
me. Oh my god. Yes.
I literally
Yes.
hit you a lot of times. Yeah, get my bed.
Survive.
Get my bed.
I'm not getting your bed.
Well, I'll get yours.
Go ahead.
Oh, damage sword. Oh god. Oh my. How'd you do 14 damage with a damage sword? And I only do 12. Yeah, get my bed. Get my bed. You feel good, right? You feel
No,
good.
I feel nothing.
You feel good.
Where are you? Oh, there he is. My
Wait,
miss.
wait.
You do 12 damage and I do 14. Ha. See? Pros.
It's because you have.
Quit it! Stop. Stop. Alright, if you knock me off, fine. Oh my god, you're so annoying, David.
When I said you died.
So annoying.
I killed you with snowballs, like with fire enchant.
And you used your bow. and your sport.
I
So it's
only
not
use
just
snowballs.
it's not
and
only
my
the
ball.
snowballs they use. This.
Dummy, should I get your bed now? I have.
I mean, you can come from my bed. I don't care.
You sure?
Yes. If you can get to my bed.
Wait, you're protecting it with wood and other things.
I'm protecting it with everything I could use to protect.
It with your life.
Yes.
The grapple hook are the worst, bro.
Really?
I almost died because of it. It made me fall off the mountain. After this, can we do public matches?
Public match? Sure.
I'm gonna be Grim, or maybe I'll be. Oh, you have testo coils. How did you get testo coils?
Legend. I'm a legend. Come on.
It's not even in the.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared. It's not gonna hurt you. It's just gonna ill you. That's all it's gonna do. Come on, David. Okay, wait. If you want to prove you're pro, come on. It's not gonna hurt. Damn, all the misses though. Damn.
I'm still getting you.
But you're not getting me all the time. Dang, look at the misses. Noob. Aren't you a noob? Oh, last time I checked, you're a noob.
Oh god.
Oh god.
Yeah, you do 10 damage, you know.
I know.
Let me just do this. Oh god, I'm at 30 HP.
I'm at 56.
Oh my god. Bro, what is your reach?
Come on, Dave.
You come on.
Bro, stop with the bow. I really hate you, David. I hate you.
I almost suffocated myself.
Aren't you gonna get my bed?
I am. Hold up. Let me just kill you once.
If you can reach me. Come on.
I can bow you,
It's
you know.
not going to hurt. It's not going to hurt. Trust me. Trust me, it's not gonna hurt.
You're lucky that thing can protect you.
No! I almost saved myself, but I fell.
Let me get this bed. Not even. I'm just gonna leave you alone.
Maybe you should. I thought you said you're gonna leave me alone.
Oh, block clutch. Block clutch.
No, I fell.
GG's. I had balloon glitch, but you fell before me.
Oh my god, guys, Dave won. No! I was this close to winning.
But you fell.
I was this close to winning.
Look.
Oh my god.
Yeah. I'm not gonna be Jade.
Wait, Dave, instead of doing public now, how about on the next video, we do a public for them? What do you think, guys? Should we do a public server in the next video that we're gonna make? Comment down below. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. We're gonna see you guys soon enough if we're not busy with school. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.